On the occasion of Breastfeeding Awareness Month, we have with us expert Dr. Preeti Johri, MBBS, DGO, gynecologist, Gorakhpur. Doctor, can you tell us why breastfeeding is so important for both mothers and babies?
Breastfeeding is important for both mothers and babies in many ways. One is mother after delivery. When breastfeeding is initiated immediately, it improves the maternal and child bonding. And secondly, it also helps in preventing postpartum hemorrhage, one of the most deadly threatened condition of the mother, and it prevents this PPH. And for the baby, it protects in many ways. One is it provides antibodies through this breast milk, which protects the child from many infectious conditions. And then secondly, it improves the immunity and overall growth and well-being of the child. In this way, both the mother and child are protected. So maternal and child relationship, a psychological relationship bonding is developed, so the child feels protected.
What is the ideal duration of breastfeeding? For how many months should a baby be breastfed?
According to the WHO program, initial 6 months is the exclusive breastfeeding, during which the child is given only the mother's milk, and the child is not initiated with any other food or water or any other food supplements. Only after 6 months, the child is to be initiated with other supplements, food supplements. And then the main duration of breastfeeding is mostly, it is said, around 18 months to 2 years is the most probable beneficial duration is about 2 years, and after that the breastfeeding can be stopped.
That's wonderful. How would you describe the current breastfeeding scenario in India?
Actually, the breastfeeding should be given for exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months, but many conditions impedes this. One is patient को मालूम नहीं है कि मतलब हमको जो है किस तरह से breastfeed करना है और कितने दिनों तक breastfeed करना है, उसके क्या benefits हैं. तो patient को हम लोग को बताना होगा कि इसके क्या benefits हैं, तो वो patient को जो है help मिलेगी. Secondly, आजकल जो है कई mothers जो है कामकाजी महिलाएं हो गई हैं, तो वो भी breastfeeding नहीं करा पाती हैं, तो हम लोग को उनको support देना होगा कि किस तरह से breastfeeding जो है इम्प्रूव हो सके. फिर दूसरा है उनको जो है स्पेस मिले जहाँ पर वो फीड करा सके. अब वर्किंग लेडीज को स्पेस मिल सके, टाइम दिया जा सके कि उस टाइम पे वो जाके अपने बच्चे को फीड करा सके.
What are some of the major challenges that mothers face and how can be they addressed?
Mother faces many challenges such as that how they will feed the baby. They should be given space and time for feeding their child.
Thank you, doctor, for these valuable insights. Any final message for our listeners?
Yes, breastfeeding should be promoted for all the ladies in the benefit of the mother also as well as the child also.
Dr. Preeti Johri, thank you for your message.